Bentley got into some baloney today. He's a little bit frightened. But, Oh, hey, Anthony. Oh, no, I know. I got to watch out for the rules. Yeah, I won't mention it. I'm sorry. I was just going over a simple how to do laser photos inside a Lightburn. All right, bye. That was Anthony. Hey guys, I'm down here. Let me just go over this in Lightburn really quickly. I got rid of the dog. So I had to put in my glasses because I'm an old MF. So here we are right now inside of Lightburn, and the first thing you're going to want to do is download the file that I have below that is going to enable you to see what your laser is capable of doing. It's basically a power scale file. This file is all over the internet. You can just download it down below. And so I have this beautiful lady here, and I am going to right click this lady and go to adjust image. I just imported a photo. The better the resolution, the better your result you're going to get. You just want to have a really nice end product that looks really good. So I'm going to go ahead and hit adjust image. And here is the stock image that comes in. And this is really what I'm going after. And I'm going to show you all of the different settings really fast. The first thing is I either use Stucki or Jarvis. So I'm going to use Stucki as a default. And then you want to remove the outside background. And keep in mind that this is art. It's just a reflection of the photograph. So it's important to understand that you can change everything, but you have to understand that if your power settings are different, then your result will be different. That's why we did the power scale. I went ahead and saved a preset, but I'm going to make it myself. So the contrast, what that does is that gives you the ability to take out some of the white area. So something that would normally look like this person was light skin may look darker skin if you don't change the contrast. So changing the contrast is really important. It is in my opinion or experience that everything comes out a little darker. So brightness will enable you to drop some of the background out. So if you have the different background, you can see for $80 or $100, Lightburn is pretty incredible. Hyperlinking back to the original image. So that's really cool. I don't really mess with gamma. I'll go into that in another video. As far as the enhanced radius, I'm going to select 25 and then I'm going to do 100 for the amount. Once you get everything right and you test that image, you're going to want to go ahead and save that image, and you save it however you want. I always change it Ryan Photo, a version of what the image mode is that Lightburn does, and then I hit save. And so that's what it is. You can up the DPI. So if you bring in a 96 DPI, you can crank up that DPI and other things like that. So I can hit OK. You need to nail down your settings, this speed and this power. That is really important. And another thing is, if you're using a Glowforge, you're going to want to use masking tape. But if you don't have a Glowforge and you're using a secondary printer, make sure you put on Air Assist. All right, if you're interested in more videos on Lightburn or laser cutting, please hit the subscribe and like button. And whatever you do, make something that connects someone. Bye for all. Well, I don't know what that meant. Bye for all.